The 2015 Acura RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, keyless entry, navigation system, moonroof, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, anti-theft security system, cruise control, climate control, center armrest, power windows, power door locks, clock, security system, CD player. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.